Hey everyone, I'm Chad at BDS Suspension. I'm one of the engineers. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 best things about our kit for the brand new 2019 GM 1500 trucks. So the first benefit is our sway bar drop brackets. Now, not only do they drop the sway bar to create an ideal angle for the sway bar throughout its range of motion, it also creates a strong joint between the rear cross member and the frame by tying the two together. So the second benefit of our kit is you get a full-length skid plate all the way from the front splash shield to underneath the differential, protection on both sides, not only just the driver's side, but as well as the passenger side to prevent any damage to the actuator for the front differential. So the third benefit is a multi-point differential drop bracket. Now this doesn't mean only creating 3 points, but actually tying in more to the frame. This way your brackets are strong and then your differential won't move because of that. A lot of times you kind of go the easier, cheap route, but we went all the way, as you'll see, into the front cross member to tie it in, and in another case the rear cross member. This will create a strong joint all throughout the whole suspension system. Let me show you guys really what I mean about our differential brackets. As you can see here, not only does it mount up here as a normal one does, but it also ties into the front, creating a much stronger joint than a lot of other kits on the market. So on the passenger side, you'll see that it mounts to the factory location, but it also has this brace provided to tie into the rear crossmember to create a strong joint. So the fourth benefit of our kit is with the cross members. We don't just drop 6 inches just to make it easy, saying, hey, this works. We actually provide a true high clearance system. We drop the cross members 4.5 inches. This provides the most ground clearance compared to any other kit in the market. That way, when you're off-road, you're using your truck, you have that ground clearance to protect you from hitting rocks or catching up on anything. As you can see with our cross members, we're actually dropping 4.5 inches. A lot of competitors will actually drop 6 inches. This will get worse ground clearance, so our kit will provide the highest amount of ground clearance over everybody else's. So the fifth benefit of our kit is the steering knuckle, in which a lot of engineering time goes into. This is a ductile cast iron replacement of the factory aluminum knuckle, so very much stronger than the factory knuckle. With this, a lot of wheel and tire limitations come around the tie rod position and the upper ball joint position. Our kit tries to maximize your options for wheel and tires. So with our kit, you can actually run a factory wheel with the factory back spacing all the way up to a 37-inch tire on a Chevy. This allows for multiple different combinations that the end customer wants to run, all the way out to a 4.5-inch back spacing. So you have these multiple options you can go. That way you're not limiting yourself to, I can only run this one size wheel. You can have a wide gamut of options. As you can see with our steering knuckle, it's obviously dirty. We've been out having fun with the truck, been out on the trails. Benefit of our steering knuckle, you can see it's pretty well beefy compared to the factory knuckle, ductile cast iron. A lot of tire and wheel fitment issues rise around your tie rod position. You can see where ours is positioned. This is an optimal position for steering geometry, as well as providing the widest range of wheel and tire options for our end customer. So as an engineer designing this kit, I try to design it around the fact that it's going to be used, it's going to be abused. I'm an enthusiast, I love to get out there, go wheeling, have fun, but the one thing I don't want is stuff that's broke when I'm out there. So trying to design a strong kit in all aspects is kind of my goal when I was designing it, and then it shows with how it relates to other kits on the market, showing that how we tie into different parts of the front end, creating a really strong structure there, creates a very capable off-road vehicle. Hopefully these 5 facts show you why our kit is the best in the market for GM 1500 trucks. I'm Chad Kern. I gotta get back to work. I got a bunch more stuff to do on this truck.